Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kinigilong khubor bam tagasngi. Uolan Singh Sun UDP ula khurjing job hagajingile election persha yuba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang nakaseng BJP. Ki kertong ki belayale election ki kentup yuba Gopal Stone nyota INC uba Alvin Karim Saukmi NPP. Kate gajing nyovun kalalong Hamadan Pulo menaka arterik urimpang uba Olan Singh Sun wai kublai yigi pat ba aga Mawsynram constituency ki bela jing job yaum.
The fight is the fight you see in the last 5 rounds, BJP was leading by a big margin of 1,500. I thought that in the 6th round, if I could not recover, it might be difficult for me to cope up. But in the, but in the 6th round, I lead over BJP by 40 votes. And in the last round, I know my stronghold polling station, I know that I will recover very soon. So once the round 6 is over, it was a sign of my success. Under the responsibility of the people and the development of the constituency, I feel as normal as I am, not excited, no thrill, but I feel that it's my duty. I have to shoulder the duty and responsibility of the people of the Mawsynram constituency and for the development of the constituency as a whole.
So what will be your top priorities after winning this election?
I perceive that there should be in the tourism industry should grow. I see that the road condition should also be developed. Among others, many other things that I will have to see.